I want you to take a look at this. On the screen over here is the result of an ebook or a digital asset that is getting an average monthly sales of $613 every single month at $5.91 each. Now take a look at this. If I work out the calculations at 613 multiplied by $5.91, this simple ebook is making $3,622.83, and every single person that purchases this ebook has no idea what's inside. I mean, take a look at this one over here that's getting 513 sales at $12.87 each, and it's just a blank sketchbook. It's a blank book with 120 pages for painting, drawing, writing, sketching, or doodling at a size of 8.5 by 11, and it's completely blank. So you just literally need to create a cover like this, and you can replicate and copy and paste these ebooks and digital assets and scale to over $3,000 in a day. And I'm going to prove to you in this video that this will literally take you 5 to 10 minutes of work to do and set up and create. And I mean, take a look at all these people over here. You're going to be able to replicate multiple books at the same time and make money on this website with multiple books. I mean, take a look at this person over here that's created a simple graph paper notebook that's just got blank squares on each and every page, and they've made well over $3,000 this month. This person over here who's created a basic blank handwriting practice paper book with blank pages with just lines, also 456 sales every single month at $9 each. I mean, you can work that out. That's well over $4,000 every single month, literally just selling a blank book. Now, we can go and create this within 5 to 10 minutes, piggyback these big guys over here on this website that's going to help you so much and replicate these earnings. Also, on top of this, all of this is complete profit because you have no expense in doing this. To create these ebooks is completely free. I'm going to show you a free tool where you can go and create these handwriting books or sketchbooks over here, list them on this website, and get paid every single month hundreds of sales for selling your book. So there's no expenses, there's no sign-up fees to any website to create this. All of this over here, like you saw on the calculator, is complete profit for you to keep. Now imagine this, you have 5, 10, 15 ebooks running for you every single month. Now, not only are you making $3,000 a month, you're making $3,000 times 15 every single month on 15 ebooks. I can promise you a lot of these books over here probably belong to the same person. I mean, let's have a look if we can actually see that. Here's a perfect example. This graph paper notebook / grid paper book over here, the author is Ken Malone. Another book over here also by Ken Malone. So not only is he getting 415 sales a month on this ebook, he's getting another 382 sales a month on this book. So he's getting well over 800 sales every single month. Let's see if we can see another one of his. I don't think so. I don't see any others. But I mean, to give you an idea, there's no limit to the amount of ebooks that you can go and create. I'm also going to show you a very powerful tool over here that will help you spy on some of these best books on Amazon and replicate the success yourself. So make sure to keep watching throughout this video, and let's get straight into it. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your No BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various different ways that I use to make money online. I quickly want to show you something. As most of you know, I've moved to Forex trading full time in the day besides YouTube and affiliate marketing. Right now, I'm actually busy trading the Australian dollar versus US dollar pair, and I've hit over 600. I don't know if you can see that. $620 profit so far. I see the camera's flipped it around. I don't know why, but if you can kind of make out. And I'm actually streaming some of these trades live on my YouTube channel over here. So what I'm going to do is, I don't suggest click it now. First watch this video, then you can head over to my trading playlist. I'm going to give you 10 of my best live trades on my YouTube channel over here completely for free. Now, you'll be able to learn how to predict these markets, how to make profits yourself, and actually how to trade with me. So it's all completely free. It's a free course on YouTube. There's no upsell to some $5,000 course or something crazy like that. Reason being is because I make money with trading myself, and I love helping others, and most of you guys have had the most success and made the most money of my trading videos. So all you need to do is leave a like, comment down below, and count how many times I say the word ebook in this video. Comment down below the answer. If you get it right, I'll reply to your comments with the link to that free trading course so that you can learn how to make profits like this. So without further ado, go and do all 3 of those things. You need to watch this video throughout, count how many times I say the word ebook, and let's get straight into it. Alright, so we're now over here on my PC, and I quickly want to show you this epic tool over here. So this is a tool where you can create and scale a book publishing business without writing a single word with their innovative software solutions. So take a look at this. You can go and create coloring pages books, Sudoku and Kakura books, word search, maze, connected dots, cryptogram, word scrambles, crossword books, everything that you can think of, you can go and create with this tool. And as you saw on this page over here, all of these people are selling these types of books. They're all blank. You don't need to write stories. You don't need to go and get articles off the internet and rewrite them into your own book. It's got nothing to do with that. It's a lot easier and a lot more simple work and a lot less effort. And as you can see, you can go and list as many books as you want to and go and make revenue off all your books at the same time using this tool. This is one of the most comprehensive low content book publishing software on the market today. You get a completely free trial. Just to let you know, I'm not an affiliate for this website. I don't get any commissions talking about this website. I'm just talking about it because I use it and I really recommend it. So you can go and click on login on the top right over here. It's going to take you to a page. Okay, it's already logged me in. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to log out to show you the process so that you can understand how to sign up and get your free trial. Then on the next page, you're going to click on sign up on the top right and it will take you to the following page. You can see over here, they've got a monthly package of $9.99 a month or a yearly package of $89 a year. Just click on the 3-day trial, free trial over here. It will then open up with this page, your name, city, email, password. Click on this, enter this information, click on next, and then you can sign in with your account. Do take note that after 3 days, your trial will expire and then it will ask you to pay. So what you can do is you can cancel your trial within those 3 days so you don't have to pay at all, and give the strategy a go within the next 3 days and see if you make any profits from this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in with my account and meet you on the dashboard. Then on the home page, it's going to give you a couple of these options over here. You can learn more about the cloud. You can watch a free training on searching up sellers, product research, book scouts, favorites, different keywords, the Amazon Kindle Store Spy tool, the different Amazon Kindle categories, book bolt designers where you can go and design your own tools, and a mass cover creator over here. So yeah, you can see all the options on your left over here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on cloud over here and we're going to go have a look at some of the best categories. You'll see up top right over here, you've got different categories. Click on this drop down. You can see you can choose from notebooks, journals, music sheets, calendars, planners, coloring books, activity books. One of my favorites to choose is usually the sketchbook, simply because it's a blank book. All you need to go and do is create the cover and all your pages can be blank. There's no hard work to do. So we're going to go and click on search over here. And let's take a look at what people are doing. Now, the best way to really get a lot of traffic, and get sales with your ebook in the beginning is to kind of replicate these top trends over here. So here you can see this person kind of created like a Naruto theme how to draw book. Here's one about unicorns and ice creams. This one has a sketch of a lady. This one just has pencils called My Crazy Art. So you want to get an idea of the top books right now that are listed on the front page, because obviously they're getting the most sales, the most views. That's usually how the algorithm works, and you can piggyback that virality by replicating their success. So you don't want to go and copy and paste, but you can go and create similar ideas to this. So you will notice if I go and copy one of these books, for example, let's go this ASIN number over here. If I go right click copy and I come over to the Amazon store, let's just go and search Amazon, and I click on the Amazon website and I go and paste this in the search bar. Take a look at this. You will find that this ebook will pop up on Amazon, and you'll see over here it ships worldwide to my country as well, in South Africa, which is a third world country. So I'm sure if it ships there, it ships anywhere in the world. And you can have a look at some more details about this book. You can have a look at descriptions, print length, language, publication date, dimensions, obviously the ISBN code over here, and even some reviews, 104 ratings over here. So this is a great way to go and get an idea on the descriptions of these books, what you can add in your description, what you can set as your return policy. You can set your shipping and import fees here as well. You can read more about the author, and you can build an entire brand for yourself on Amazon.com and this website over here, which is the tool we're using called bookbolt.io. So I really recommend come over to this website over here called bookbolt.io. It's connected to Amazon, so when you list your book on here, it also lists on Amazon over here, as you can see. And then from there, there's two ways that we can go and create our book. So we can come over to Bookbolt over here on the homepage. You want to go click on the drop down over here, click on create, and you want to go click on Bookbolt Designer and also Bookbolt Mass Cover Converter. So we're only really going to use the Mass Cover Converter. Just enter your email and password that you signed up with. For the cover size, you want to go and have a look at some of these cloud books over here. Most of them are 8.5 by 11 inches. So let's go and select that. That's going to be 8.5 by 11. Page count, we can start off with 120 pages in our book. For the background, if you're creating a sketchbook, you just want to have it as complete white, as a white page is perfect for sketching. You can go and upload any images over here for your cover. So what you would go and do is to select your cover over here. When you upload an image, you would go and use the Bookbolt Designer cover page, create your cover, which I'm going to do for you now. You would select cover. Trim size, again, would be 8 by 11. It must be the same size as your book size. And we're going to click on submit over here. Now, the only thing I don't like about this Bookbolt design is that you're designing your cover from a complete blank template over here. Whereas if we go to a website like canva.com, and we go and look for over here, cover, they actually give to you done for you templates. So let's go and have a look at book cover over here and have a look at this. You can go and select from hundreds to thousands of different templates here already. I mean, take a look at this one over here with this lady over here. We can just change the text, and I mean, this kind of style suits these viral books over here that are also using, let me just get to the top, this lady on a cover over here. So again, we're following a trend. So this would be a good example over here. We can just go and select on this cover and it will automatically create for us. And we can go and type here, my sketch, for example. We can just make this a little bit wider, bring this to the center, put this a bit lower, and we can type here by J. Froneman, and you can just put your name so you can see that you're the author. Once your cover's done, you can go and click on download on the top right, click on I would select PNG, high quality image. For the size, make it as big as possible. I would select number 2, so it's twice the size and a good quality. Click on download over here and it will download to your PC. We can then come back to our mass book converter over here, click on upload images, select that same image that we've just designed. Once your cover has been downloaded, you want to come back to the ebook designer over here on bookbolt.io. Over here where it asks you to add your cover, click on images, click on upload, click on add images, and select your cover over here. Just click on it and you kind of just want to stretch it out until it fits on your screen like this. For the back cover, we can just go and copy and paste over here. So we can go click on it again and we can go and stretch this out. Now that your cover is complete, click on interior on the top left. It will open up this page. Just click on the same 8x11. You want to type in your page count, let's say 120. So make sure blank page is selected and click on download. And as you can see, all your blank pages have been completed over here. Now you've got a complete cover over here with a 120 blank page sketchbook over here that you can now go and post on bookbolt.io just like these guys and on Amazon over here. And to get ideas for your title, you can just come over to Amazon and type in sketchbook. Let's just have a look here. Type in sketchbook and go and have a look at what some of the sketchbooks on the top page are saying over here. So here you can see, for example, 200 sheets. Obviously yours is going to be 120. You can just write the size, get ideas from these articles. I mean, you've got your cover over here that you can go and upload onto Amazon to give you an idea of what your book would look like on Amazon with your cover and your title. So what you can do is you can go and choose any one of these. Obviously, what I do suggest you do is with regards to your pricing is come back, have a look at the average price on this side. Yeah, you can see $19, $24, $12, $9. I would suggest go and list yours mostly cheaper than the competition because you want to beat them, especially coming in this industry as a newbie. You want to beat your competition, so go and list it in at $7.99, and as you can see, it beats most of the competition over here, so that most people will come to you and buy your product because it's the same thing but cheaper. And the best way to go about this is remain consistent. Create a new ebook every 2 to 3 times a week. Create new sketchbooks, drawing books, writing books, and you can even start writing your own articles down the line once you've got your own brand going, and you can actually start developing your own stories. And this is one of the best ways to become successful with Amazon Kindle publishing, is using these free tools to literally shortcut all the effort and do everything for you. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more, I'm going to leave a playlist over here on the screen to help you make even more money. So if you've commented down below, lift a subscribe and commented down below how many times I said the word ebook, I'm going to leave my trading playlist over here that will help you read the Forex markets over here, where you can place your trades and make profits with me. I haven't had a loss in the last month trading using these strategies over here. So what I really recommend is go and click on this trading playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.